Good morning, everyone. Today I would like to share with everyone a very simple analogy that you can learn to see your true mind. Let me give you an example. A moon appears in the sky. Let's assume there's no cloud or there's nothing to block this moon. There's one lake, still water on the surface. There's no wind blow, no typhoon, no animal, no human. It's still like a mirror. This moon reflecting on the surface water of the lake will be identical, exactly the same. Let's say if there's a wind blow, an animal jump into lake, this reflection of the moon immediately will be destroyed. And we cannot see the moon reflection on the lake water anymore. We use this analogy, try to understand how our mind works and how can we find our true mind. For instance, in this analogy, which one is our true mind? The moon appear in the sky or the reflection of the moon on the lake water? Which one? You can take a guess. Some people will say the true mind actually is a reflection on the lake. And without any interference, our mind can be very still and calm, and we can see the true moon on the lake water. And some people say that's why you need to meditate to have the true reflection of moon appear on the lake. And another theory, another group of people will say, hey, the true mind actually is the moon appear in the sky. That moon is there without any interference. The moon reflecting on the lake water is just identical reflection of the true moon. So, when you want to search the true moon, and you look at the moon in the sky, you don't search on the reflection moon on the lake water. In this theory, all the wind blow or whatever the exterior element to interfere that reflection the moon on the lake, they say it's nothing to do with me because my true moon is there. So, in these two approach of understanding, where is the true moon you see from your side? Actually, if you use this analogy, try to understand how our true mind works, then you will understand why these two methods is different. So, which one is your answer? The first one or the second one? Where is your true moon? Is on the lake or in the sky? As my learning theory from my great masters, your mind just like the moon in the sky, never being blocked and that cannot be interfered by wind or human or animals. Is always there, bright, non-interferable. It's there. But if we don't actually acknowledge what is our true mind, and you will only see those reflection of the moon on the lake water, the reflection of the moon on the water actually being interfered by a lot of exterior factors. For instance, wind blow, a human sailing a boat on top of the water. So we say that is a reflection of the moon. Also in this analogy, we say is a reflection of our mind. So those interference, exterior factor, like wind or animal or human, is like our emotion, our attachment, our ignorance. And our true mind is always there. It's separable, never can be interfered if you choose not to be interfered. So try to understand this theory, this analogy. Our true mind is always there. It's just like a moon in the sky. When the emotion or attachment or ignorance comes as interference, then all the reflection of our true mind, we say it's a phenomenon. All the phenomenon actually is the reflection of our mind, our true mind. I know this theory could be difficult to understand, but if you can try to understand that, and you can separate yourself from your emotion, from the instant interfere to you, and you can always keep your mind in peace. That's simple like that. And I hope my simple sharing of the mind tending technique can give you some good tips to start with how can actually discover your true mind. Just read off those negative emotions and don't view those reactions of your emotion, and to self-awaken, discover your true mind, then you will be fine. And I hope my sharing of today, that's a very fundamental theory of practice Zen and to discover our true mind. And I hope you can take away with you, and I hope next time I will have you join me again. Thank you.